Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will learn about how to install AWS CLI on Windows and how to configure IAM user. So let's proceed. First, in any browser, type AWS CLI and click on first link. In this, you will see on your right side there is a download available for 64-bit. Click on it. Now you can see download is in progress. Now open this downloaded file. They will ask, click on next. So you have to checkbox this license agreement. Click on next. By default, the program file will save in C. If you want to change the location, you can change. For now, I am going with default version. So click on next and click on install. So now the package or software will install. So it will ask, does you have to make the change? Click on yes. Now click on finish. So now you have AWS CLI installed in your PC. Now go to AWS Management Console. Log in as a root user. In search bar, type IAM. So now we will create a user. Click on IAM. Now you have to create user. So click on user on the left hand side. Click on the add user. Then specify username. I'm giving here demo as a username. If you want to provide AWS Management Console access, then you can provide. If not, it is up to you and as per your requirement. For now, I'm not checklist on it. I will click on next. For permissions option, if you have a user group or if you want to create a user group, you can create it. Or if you want to copy permissions from other user group, you can copy from over there. For now, I'm attaching policies directly. I'm not creating any user group over here. After that, I will search here information policies, administration, full access. So here I will click on this and scroll down. And if you want to change anything till done now, you can click on previous and check whatever you have done and then click on next. Now I'm clicking on next. So here user details have provided. You can add tags if you want to. It's not compulsory. It's not mandatory. Now I will create user. So now I will click on this user. See. For configuring IAM user, you will need its access key and secret access key. So we will provide it. Click on security credentials. Here you can click on, after scrolling down, create access key. So you will use command line interface, that is CLI. Scroll down, then checkbox, click this, then click on next. So here they have asking you about description tag. So describe the purpose of this access key and where it will be used. To find user and to guide user, you have to describe this. For now, I am giving description CLI, and now we will create access key. So this is our access key. If you click over here, it will get copied. You can see secret access key as well. Same for the access key. If you click over here, it will get copied. Now, let's open PowerShell. And the CLI we installed few minutes ago. We will check is it installed over in our PC or not. So for that purpose, we have to type AWS space hyphen version and then enter. So you can see the CLI is successfully installed over here. Now we will configure it. Then type AWS space type configure and then click on enter. For here, they will now ask you access key ID. So here we have access key ID. We'll copy it and we will paste it over here. Then click on enter. Now we will provide secret access key. Again copy from here and paste it over here. Then click on enter. Now they will ask you for a region name. Here default region is AP South 1. So you can select any region, whichever you want. For now, I am selecting this AP South one. Now we will create S3 bucket in CLI AWS using Windows PowerShell. For that, enter command AWS space S3 space MB space S3. And then enter your bucket name. So here we will create demo 150 and then press enter. So we will check the bucket is created in AWS S3 or not. For that, AWS space S3 space ls. So now you will see here we have created bucket. We'll now upload file in our AWS S3 bucket to CLI. For that, cp command we will use, and we will provide the path in which our text file is saved. So our file name is and our bucket name. This message informs that our file is uploaded in AWS S3. We will check it in our AWS management console. Here we have to type S3 in search bar. So you can see we have just created demo 150. After clicking on the bucket, we can see over here that the text file also copied. So in this way, we can create S3 bucket and can upload files in it. Thank you.